Everglades designed this trailer specifically to interface with this boat, so it's very accessible for that reason. It's also a dream to trailer. This boat sits very low on the trailer. Secondly, you'll notice the gunnels are a little lower than a more traditional center console. Everglades pretty much rethought everything about center consoles when they designed this boat. So they came up with this sort of a mid-length gunnel. So it's just high enough to be super comfortable in the boat, but just low enough where you can have all the accessibility that you need either when you're trailering or fishing. I don't know about you, but when I'm trailering, I'm in and out of the boat, and every time I get out, I think I'm done with all the gear coming on or off. There's always one last item. So it's just super nice to zip in and zip out. So for example, I forgot to turn on the battery switch to lower the outboard just a little bit. I can just make a quick, simple step. You'll also notice that the battery switch is at an arm's length distance. So you'll notice in this Everglades, there's accessibility all over the place, but it's just a very user-friendly boat starting in the yard when you're about to hook up and trailer. Get on the boat and it's that easy. Classic center console with a real high bow. It's a little more challenging to get in and out with the bow rail and everything. This boat's very ergonomic as far as getting on and off the boat at the trailer. So I'm just going to slide the boat off. I have my dock lines ready. I'm just going to hang it on the town dock while I go park my truck. So I've unhooked the chain. I've unhooked the tow strap. I'm all free and clear. Boat's in the water properly, and I'm just going to slide this boat right out.